So we want to practice graphing our inequalities, and we've already done linear inequalities, so we're going to extend to our quadratics. So we have something here, y is greater than x squared minus 1, and we've been practicing in class how do we graph just a regular quadratic where it would be an equality. So we're going to set it up the exact same way as we did during our class by using a table of values. I'm going to start at -2. And we're going to substitute and be very careful that whenever we're using our negative values that we make sure that we do square the negative as well. So we have -2 squared minus 1. -2 times -2 would give us a 4. Minus 1 gives us a 3. We have -1 times -1 gives us 1. Minus a 1 gives us 0. For our value being 0, 0 squared is just 0. Minus 1 will give us a -1, and so on. So we've got 5 sets of points here that we're going to plot. And one thing that we need to keep in mind is that we're graphing something that is just y greater than. Remember that our rule was if it's greater than or less than, we show that our solution is not on the curve by using a dotted line. So I'll plot my points. So this is a terrible, terrible parabola, but you guys get the picture. So I'm using a dotted line because I want to show that it is greater than. But we know from plotting linear inequalities that we have to shade in an entire area to show. So how do we show if something is greater than x squared minus 1? So we want to show the area that is above our curve. For a parabola, it's going to be this area right here. And that's going to be our solution for this problem.